Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about a skin condition that affects millions of people worldwide, scabies. If you've never heard of scabies before, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what scabies is, how it spreads, and the symptoms to watch out for. We'll also talk about the treatment options available, as well as some tips for preventing the spread of scabies. Whether you're dealing with scabies yourself, know someone who is, or simply want to learn more about this common skin condition, this video is for you. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of scabies together. Scabies is a common contagious skin condition caused by a tiny mite called Sarcoptes scabiei. It is characterized by intense itching, which is often worse at night, and a rash that appears as small red bumps or blisters on the skin. Scabies is spread through close physical contact with an infected person, such as through sexual contact, sharing of clothing or bedding, or prolonged skin-to-skin contact. Scabies mites burrow into the top layer of the skin, where they lay eggs and produce waste products that cause an allergic reaction, leading to the characteristic itching and rash. The mites can survive for several days without a human host, so it is important to thoroughly clean and disinfect any clothing, bedding, or other items that may have come into contact with an infected person. Treatment for scabies typically involves the use of topical medications, such as permethrin cream or lindane lotion, which are applied directly to the skin to kill the mites and their eggs. In severe cases, oral medications or prescription strength creams may be necessary. It is also important to avoid scratching the affected areas, as this can lead to secondary bacterial infections and other complications. With proper treatment, scabies can usually be cured within a few weeks. That's all for today's video about scabies. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Remember, scabies is a treatable condition, and seeking medical attention as soon as possible is important for your health and well-being. If you suspect you may have scabies, we encourage you to talk to your healthcare provider. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on health and wellness.